Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.10 on Lubuntu 24.04. By default we won't get the VirtualBox. Let's verify. See, we don't have VirtualBox. So open the default browser that comes with Lubuntu. That is Firefox. Then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, either is fine. Then select Linux distributions. See here the version 7.1.0. Scroll down. See here we don't have Lubuntu, but we can select the, for Lubuntu 24.04 we can select the Ubuntu 24.04. Open terminal, go to system tools, Q terminal, then more/etc os-release. See it, so Lubuntu, so code name is 24.04. Okay, Control N. Now click on this Ubuntu 24.04. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the VirtualBox. So install it, sudo dpkg-i. Then give virtual 1 or 2, 3 letters of this Debian package name. Give the tab to autofill entire package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing 7.10. See, it got failed. Okay, so we have to install these dependencies. Let me try to install this. Copy this one. Sudo apt install. Paste it. Hit enter. It will throw error. First we have to fix the broken installation. So copy this command. If you run this command, it will install all dependencies. Okay, sudo apt, just paste it, hit enter, type a confirmation. See, it is going to install all dependencies. Okay, so hit enter. We have successfully installed dependencies. Now install it. ls sudo dpkg-i virtual, to the tab, hit enter. See, this time we are not getting any errors. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to here, start, then search for VirtualBox. See, here we have the VirtualBox. But before opening, now go to this home page, click on download. Then we are going to install this extension pack. Select this accept and download. See, it is downloading the extension pack. Click on it to install. Now it will open the VirtualBox. See, click on install. See, this I agree is grayed out. Okay, scroll down. Then click on I agree. Now it will ask for authentication. Provide the password for this user. Then click on OK. See, successfully installed. Close this one. Now go to help, about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.0. Close this one. Now create. Now if you want to create VirtualBox, click on new or machine and select new, both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine, then select the location. Then we have to attach the ISO image of the operating system. Then we have to fill all the options. Okay, so go to terminal, ls, remove these two files. rm give oracle give space, hit enter. rm give virtual, give the tab, hit enter. ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.10 on Lubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.